How to fix sound or audio issues in 007 First Light. 007 First Light. Hector 1. Restart the game and PC. Close 007 First Light completely. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Check if audio works properly. Number 2. Check in-game audio settings. Go open to audio. Make sure sound is not muted. Increase master volume and effects volume. Number 3. Check Windows sound output. Right-click the speaker icon. Open sound settings. Select the correct playback device, test speakers, or headset. Header 4. Set default audio device. Open control panel. Go to sound. Right-click your speaker's headset. Select set as default device. 5. Update audio drivers. Press Windows X. Open device manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Update your audio driver. Restart your PC 6. Disable audio enhancements. Open sound settings. Select your playback device. Open properties. Disable all sound enhancements. Apply changes. Number 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library. Right-click 07 First Light. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for scan to finish. 8. Close background audio apps. Close Discord overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Close voice changers, equalizer software. Relaunch the game. Habit 9. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Download latest DirectX runtime. Install Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall 007 First Light. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Launch and test audio again.